Nissan Australia is cashing in on the continued boom in high-end 4x4 dual-cab utes, with the second iteration of the Navara Warrior nameplate set to hit Australian dealers from September 1st. As before, it's primed to give the Toyota Hilux Rugged X and Ford Ranger Raptor some stiff competition, but equally is designed to lure buyers away from aftermarket accessory providers like ISERV. It's only sold in Australia and plays a role that no existing fully in-house Nissan can. However, it gets full Nissan factory backing and warranty coverage, which is billed as a key selling point alongside the convenience of buying a pickup post-mods. The first Warrior project was based on the former flagship Navara grade and was called Untitled Warrior. This new one is based on the recently launched new range-topping updated model and is called Pro-4X Warrior. As we found in our review of the 2021 Navara update, the new Warrior is based on a better vehicle to start with. And once again it has been modified by Melbourne engineering firm Premcar, as you can read all about here. In short, it has a 40 mm higher ride height due to modified suspension and chunky all-terrain tires, reduced primary and increased secondary, rear coil, spring rates, improved dampers, underbody protection, a 100 kg GVM upgrade, a steel bull bar, and various tough stylistic enhancements. 2022 Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior Manual, $67,490. 2022 Nissan Navara Pro-4X Warrior Auto, $69,990, all prices exclude on-road costs. That makes the Pro-4X Warrior derivation $9,360 more expensive than the Pro-4X donor vehicle. It's also $3,700 more expensive than the old N-Trek Warrior derivative. How does this $69,990 price for the volume-selling automatic Pro-4X Warrior stack up against the competitor set? Ford Ranger Raptor, $77,690, Ford Ranger FX4 Max, $66,190, Jeep Gladiator Night Eagle, $68,450, Mazda BT50 Thunder, $68,990 Drive Away, Toyota Hilux Rugged X, $69,990, Volkswagen Amarok W580, $71,990, all prices exclude on-road costs unless otherwise specified. While Premcar says it could have done some engine tuning, the decision was made to leave it alone to keep pricing reasonable. So, it's unchanged over the regular Navara. The powertrain in question is a 2.3-liter diesel 4-cylinder with two turbos that operate at different engine speeds. Outputs are 140 kilowatts of power at 3,750 revolutions per minute and 450 Nm between 1,500 and 2,500 revolutions per minute. Transmissions to choose from are a 6-speed manual or 7-speed auto. The driveline is part-time 4x4 with low range and a locking rear diff. The brake trailer towing capacity remains 3.5 tons. The regular Pro-4X Navara uses a claimed 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the combined cycle test, but we suspect this heavier Warrior might use a smidgen more dinosaur juice. The Navara dual cab is 5,311 mm long, 1,875 mm wide, and runs on a 3,150 mm wheelbase. The Warrior version sits 40 mm higher thanks to lifted suspension, has a 30 mm wider track, and a 4.0-degree greater approach angle. The Navara Pro-4X Warrior has a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty like the wider Nissan range. Maintenance is required every 12 months or 20,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. You're supported, just like any other Navara owner would be, says Nissan Australia's Senior Manager of Local Product Development and Enhancement, Matt Bailey. The same goes for servicing and capped price servicing, ensuring our customers get the best OEM and Premcar equipment, with everything taken care of by your Nissan dealer. The Navara has a 5-star rating based on NCAP testing conducted in 2015. That rating was based on a frontal offset score of 14.01 out of 16, a side impact score of 16 out of 16, and pedestrian and whiplash protection scores of marginal and good, respectively. All models come standard with 7 airbags. Standard active safety features added to the 2021 Navara update and carried over to the Pro-4X Warrior include autonomous emergency braking, driver monitoring, lane departure alert, lane keeping aid, braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, surround view camera, off-road monitor camera. Winch compatible Nissan genuine bull bar, front light bar, red bash plate and 3mm underbody plating, 275/70ths R17 Cooper Discoverer AT3 tires, full-size alloy spare wheel and tire, 100 kg GVM upgrade to 3,250 kg, payload increase over N-Trek Warrior to 961 kg, increased ground clearance, 220 mm to 260 mm, wider track, 1,570 mm to 1,600 mm, improved approach angle, 32 degrees to 36 degrees. New spring rates for more front-end support and less body roll, revised front and rear damping for better compliance, improved isolation from impacts and reduced float when carrying a load, larger and taller jounce bumper for better control of wheel movement at maximum suspension travel, reduced transmission of large impacts, Warrior-specific fender flares, Warrior decal pack. LED headlights and taillights, auto high beam, LED daytime running lights, reverse parking sensors, electric sliding rear window, black side steps and roof rails, auto folding side mirrors with heating, proximity key access, rain sensing wipers, darkened rear privacy glass. Leather accented seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, dual zone climate control with rear vents, push button start, 8.0-inch touchscreen with satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wired, 6-speaker audio, digital radio, 360-degree camera system, 3x USB-A points and 1x USB-C point, 7.0-inch driver display with digital speedo.